The only thing that can grow is the thing in which we put our energy. Be it your anger, be it your frustration, be it your motivation. Whatever it is, if you are putting your energy, that will grow. And if you restrict that power, that will not grow. How many of you ride bikes? What is the average for that? What the average your bike is giving? 40-45. Okay. So 40-45 we can say if you start our journey from this ISPT, maximum how much distance we can cover? I think Badarpur border after some okay, let's see it another way. From ISPT to Badarpur border, the distance is 45 km, which your bike can easily cover on the straight road. Okay, if you are going, rather than going straight, if you are moving first to Rohini, then to Piragadi, then to your Dwarka, then going to Badarpur, will you able to reach that place in your 1 liter petrol? What we are doing, after sleeping we have 16 hours. Where our 16 hours are going? The only thing that grows is the thing in which we put our energy, and it goes day to day basis. Clear? That's the thing. We are wasting our fuel on the different destination which are not going to give the results in our life. And at the end of the day we say, उसने ऐसा कर दिया, उसने वैसा कर दिया, मैं बस करने ही वाला था और ऐसा हो गया, और पापा मुझे करने नहीं देते, हो क्या रहा है? क्योंकि हमारी एनर्जी ये सारे एरियाज ले जा रहे हैं जहां में जाना ही नहीं था। ये इतना सिंपल है, इसको समझना, ये इतना सिंपल है। और उससे भी बड़ी मजेदार बात, क्योंकि आई बीन टू 3 suicidal cases from the girls. I don't want to mention more details. The thing was the common society, the fashion of dropping, because giving a lift is the one thing and dropping is the other. That was there. So it is so much easy to recover all those things. Just shift your energy. That's what I did. I simply asked, I prepared a chart, these are the things what you need to do. And being focusing on those points, they went out of whatever their current circumstances was there. That was, I can say, no matter wherever I would be going with this knowledge, but when I serve these people, I have full confidence that this will work. And that is what happens. And when you say, you start using internet, you start using person, okay, give me advice, no, you have that potential. It is just 17 seconds to 68 seconds. Think about your goals, whatever you wanted to do in your life. Why you are making your brain a production house for someone else's thought? Give raw material from yourself. What we are doing from the morning, cell starts ringing, okay, कहाँ पहुँचना है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, अच्छा ये नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, वैसे, ऐसे नहीं, वैसे, और हो क्या रहा है? हमारे ब्रेन के पास जितनी एनर्जी, जो भी चीजें थी, वो यूज हो गई। पूरी की पूरी फैक्ट्री हमने किसी और को दे दी। अब वो उसे अपने थॉट से चला रहा है, और आप काम कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर, आप तो मालिक थे। You were the owner for that factory, and now you became what? As an employee, you are doing whatever your boss is saying, because you don't even know how this law of attraction is getting used by others against you. And you have given all the power from yourself to someone else who is using, who is renting your space, though it's empty. No, I don't believe so. Because they feel that you cannot decorate this mind with your own thoughts. That's why they are renting this place and putting their thoughts into that. And you become what others are saying rather than you become what you have a belief in yourself. That's what the mistakes we are doing. That's what the mistake we are doing. About this code, because this is the labeling society, everybody is putting their label on the things and selling with their name. I am not selling anything with my name, no. I am just contributing an effort to build this society. Okay. Successful people are not any smarter than anyone else. They have simply learned to use what they have effectively, and so you can. Any similar quote which is very much popular in the society, especially in the Indian society. Tell me that quote. Read it. Successful people are not any smarter than anyone else. They have simply learned to use what they have effectively. जल्दी बताइए। बहुत मिलता जुलता कोट है, बहुत लोगों के मुंह से सुनोगे आप। करेक्ट। Someone else label. The knowledge was from someone else. That's the thing. When I read this thing, I got surprised. Okay, and I was worshipping that guy. Okay, this is doing that what they have did. When I read this thing, it's already been there in the books earlier. Successful people are not any smarter than anyone else. Is the quote mirrors do different things. Don't do different things, they do things differently. The same quote, just they change the words and put a TM sign. Okay, now come to the point. If we offer 1 crore rupees right now to anyone, what would be the next step you will take? Anyone can answer. If you will get the 1 crore rupees right away, what would be your next step? Anyone can answer?